is nowhere near the house.
Oh, so the cell phone towers and the street cameras can prove that, or the GPS in your car.
So in this show, How to Get Away with Murder, we see another example of a television courtroom scene. First of all, you wouldn't be able just to walk from behind the podium and just walk around the courtroom like it's your bedroom. You have to ask permission from the judge to walk out from behind the podium. The other thing is you can't just approach the bench. When you ask the judge to look at something in evidence, you give it to the bailiff, who then gives it to the judge. If you have a document to review, you just can't approach the bench. In addition, you can't get up into the client's face. That's very inaccurate. You can't just sit up on the client, intimidate them, and just not ask. It's called soliloquizing. You can't just talk and make references to things that are not in evidence. For example, when she says that, my tech expert says this, it has to be in evidence. You can't just make stuff up and say, oh, my tech expert said that. That would be an objectionable question unless it's already in evidence that the tech expert testified. You have to ask questions that are based in fact. You can't just give a narrative and just do your closing argument and get into a fight over an opinion with the witness like is going on here. As usual, there's always several inaccuracies, or mostly the whole thing is inaccurate, but it makes for good television. It's exciting, and it's often different than what an actual courtroom is. So what you can do is tag a friend that loves lawyer shows and tag him down in the comments.